blue suit. Spider-Man surves waves and climbs walls. Spider-Man is one of the most popular superheroes. I'm a fan of Spider-Man myself. Let's color. His blue and red suit is really cute. That's so wonderful. The spider symbol on his chest is so cool, isn't it? If you like it so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now it's Batman's turn. Batman is always ready to stop the bad guys. Spider-Man or Batman? Which one do you like the most? I had so much fun with these drawings. They are so amazing. His black cape and yellow belt is so amazing. The bat symbol on his suit means he's always brave and strong. Please don't forget to subscribe. Wow, here comes Flash, who runs super fast. He can move faster than anyone else. It's awesome. Let's color. Flash has a red suit with yellow lightning. It's so beautiful. delicious. Can you draw your favorite hero too? We have reached the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video.